Okay folks, B&H brass burner wick replacement. Threaded nut, take that off. This pulls straight off. Gallery is on a bayonet style. Takes a twist, can be a little tight sometimes. There we go. And then once you get that, it comes right off. You can see the bayonet lug fits into a corresponding little dimple right there. So here's your wick. Crank it over here. See, it's got a indicator. So when you crank the wick up, you have to be, when you get it up to the top, you have to catch the carrier or it'll fall back in. So there's your wick and your wick carrier. Notice these paws. You have one on each side that grab the wick carrier. So as you go down from the fully raised position, you see how they come in to grip the wick carrier. Up, they release, down, and they grab it. Okay. Someone put a perfection wick in the original wick carrier without properly modifying the wick. So when it's raised up, the wick is out of the kerosene. You see these slots here. You have to bend these tabs out to put a new wick in. So you see where the tabs are not, you need to trim your wick. You need to trim your wick so that you have tails coming out where these slots are, where there's no tab. There should be a tail coming out, so when you raise the wick, those tails are down in the kerosene. Alright, that's of course putting it back in is just the reverse. If you drop it, see, it'll slide right down. So you have to get it, and then they catch it, and there you go. Reassembly is simply the reverse. Line up your little lug on your bayonet tab, give it a twist, put this flame spreader down. Notice when you raise the wick up, it has an extinguishing collar that also raises. And then when you lower it down, that little extinguishing collar does a very thorough job of extinguishing the flame.